Yeah, hello friends. Welcome to Kishan's University of Sustainability. So again, in this today's lecture, we are going to know the new thing that is innovative finance thing that is sustainable investment, that is decarbonization of economy. So in this lecture, we are this is basically related to the sustainable development goals, that is investment purpose, that basically related to the goal number 13, that is climate action. In this climate action, the United Nations organization under the SDG Goal 13 has framed the target that the companies have to develop the avenues for the investors to invest their fundings into the sustainable way of investment. So in that, the sustainable investment has gained momentum in today's over the world. So in this lecture, we are basically focusing on mainly sustainable investment. So what about sustainable investment? How the investors are treating, how the investors are turning their portfolios from traditional model of portfolio building towards the sustainable portfolios. This is a trending buzzword. Today's investment avenue, that is sustainable investment, ethical investment. For that, there are many names for that sustainable investment. So get into actual content of today's lecture. So here, so many companies all over the world are cutting their carbon emissions. Why? Because their business models and their portfolios converting into the sustainable way of economy, sustainable way of markets. So in this line, so decarbonization means it is the reduction of carbon emissions, the carbon intensity of the energy use. So in this line of decarbonization of economy, many companies in the world are trying toward the shift from carbonized economy to decarbonomics. So the COP21, that is COP21 of United Nations, that is 21st COP of United Nations, so which was held in Paris in December 2015. This has made some targets, that is simply called as Paris Agreement, has made many, targets in front of business world and in front of governments of the worldwide towards to maintain a sustainable way of life. So in this case, the sustainable investment has gained a momentum. So in line with the decarbonization trend of economy, majorly in markets, investors are trying to adjusting their portfolio building. So in simple terms, they are divesting their portfolios from fossil fuel companies to renewable energy companies. So recently we seen the Tesla has gone up tremendously, very upsurge. The Tesla's market price has gone up very tremendously. So this is what the companies are turning their business models and decreasing their carbon footprints to meet the sustainable development goals of United Nations and the agreements of Paris Agreement, that is COP21 agreement. So in this carbon disclosure, so we have CDP, one is organization is there, CDP, that is Carbon Disclosure Project. This CDP project has encourages companies around the world to disclose their greenhouse emissions and climate change strategies. So in order to set the reducing targets of carbon and also to improve their environmental impact. So dear friends, the portfolio decarbonization can be achieved by withdrawing capital from particularly carbon intensive companies towards the renewable technologies, the renewable, so the carbon efficient companies. This is what the converting the all over the world, the investors are just they are changing their portfolios from traditional to sustainable way of investment. So there are three critical elements of sustainable investment. Sustainable investing is additive to management theory, and it does not mean a rejection of fundamental concept. It also includes fundamental concept, just shifting from carbon, intensive to, carbon free, portfolios. This sustainable investing develops deeper insights about how we will be created going forward using the main important investment, that is ESG considerations, that is environmental, social, and governance investment. This sustainable investing considers diverse stakeholders and consisting how companies are developing their momentum toward the sustainable investments. So as I said, the Paris Agreement, this is important one, where this Paris Climate Accord adapted, which was in 2015. So which has sensitized more and more investors to think about sustainability. The fast growing number of asset managers who are signing on the United Nations Principles for Responsible Investment is also, gaining importance in this way of sustainable investment. And there are majorly more support from governments also improving the sustainable investments. Dear friends, so the sustainable investments as, for example, any investor wants to get into this sustainable mode of investment, there are many ways to investments. Maybe majorly all over the world, major companies, the major investors, maybe foreign institutional investors or domestic investors or some other companies and retail investors as well, they are shifting their portfolios towards the ethical investment, that is socially responsible investment, majorly ESG investment. What is ESG all about? ESG is nothing but the ESG considerations. The company has to focus in their operations on E considerations, S considerations, and G factors. So here E stands for environmental factors. So company has to focus on environmental aspects of the business and as well as the social aspect of business and the governance aspect of business. So these three E and S and G investments has improving day by day. This is a positive momentum towards the sustainable investment avenues in all over the world. So if you want to get into this sustainable ESG investment, we have, for example, if you take in India, NSE offering 100 ESG index and even BSE offering S&P BSE 100 ESG. So if you want to become a socially responsible investor, so you should convert your savings, your funds into these indexes, because those companies are trying towards to maintain the goals which are prescribed under United Nations Sustainable Development Goals as well as Paris Agreement, and ultimately they are striving towards to get the sustainable future, sustainable finance, and sustainable development. So as an investor, if you want to get into that, please consider that in India, S&P BSE ESG 100 index, and even in NSE also ESG 100 index is there. So consider and get into that ESG index and try to know about the information which are there, the stocks which are there, and try to invest in those stocks. So your contribution towards sustainable development is that as an investor, you should take a pledge towards to convert your funds into this ESG or sustainable, and you are putting one hand of you into the development of world sustainability. So we have another avenue, that bonds, sustainable bonds. So in sustainable bonds, we have different bonds, social bonds, environmental bonds, and ethical bonds. Like we have so many bonds are there. So even that you can invest all over the world. majorly many stock exchanges. Like if you take Luxembourg Stock Exchange, Russian Stock Exchange, and Indian stock exchanges, American stock exchanges, even European stock exchanges, they're offering sustainable bond investments. So if you want to get into the bond investments, so please consider your sustainable bond investment or sustainable social bond investment or ethical bond investment. Even we have environmental bonds. So even governments all over the world are trying towards social stock exchanges also there in the world. So in that, the companies which are striving towards social benefit, the social well-being, those companies are listed on social stock exchanges. So this related to the social investment. If you want to get into this social investment, please consider social stock exchanges as well. And in the world, we have sustainable stock exchanges. So, dear friends, in sustainable stock exchanges, according to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, there are 17 goals in UNSDG. So in that, there are 5 goals specially for designed for stock exchanges all over the world. So if you take, there are hundred of stock exchanges all over the world are driving towards their practices are towards a sustainable development. So in line with sustainable development goals, so 100 stock exchanges all over the world are already started their practices, their daily operations in ESG investment avenues, and by giving ESG guidance and taking sustainable report and sustainable bond listing, sustainable indices listing. There are many practices are there in each and every stock exchange of 100 stock exchanges which are striving towards sustainable development in the world. And sustainable indices we have, for example, if you take the major sustainable indices in the world, that is Dow Jones Sustainable Index. Many investors who wants to invest, who think about sustainable investment, they definitely look at the Dow Jones Sustainable Index, because the Dow Jones Sustainable Index is a benchmark index in the world for sustainable investments. So based on Dow Jones Sustainable Index, many investors are trying towards to put their money into these sustainable indices. Like for example, if you take in India, BSE and NSE offering many sustainable indices like S&P BSE Carbonex, S&P BSE Greenex, S&P BSE 100 ESG, and even in NSE also NSE 100 ESG index, NSE Enhanced 100 ESG index. Like that, we have many indices towards the sustainability indexes. So dear friends, if you take a statistics, so between 2016 to 2018, the value of sustainable investment in assets has grown by 34%. Has grown by 34%. So the value of that is approximately 30.7 trillions of US dollars. 30.7 trillions of US dollars has got into the sustainable investment from 2016 to 2018. Europe and United States accounted for around 26 trillions of this total investment. It's the biggest investment in sustainability from Europe and United States. So sustainable investing is an approach by companies with an investment portfolios that takes into consideration mainly what I told just now, that is E, environmental, S, social, and G, governance factors. The Global Sustainable Investment Assets, that is GSIA, is a broad term that takes both responsible investing and socially responsible investing into account. So dear friends, so here many new players have entered into these sustainable investments. as well. For example, in 2010, the 10 largest funds in the world held 70% of sustainable invested assets under this asset management. But in 2020, the 10 largest funds, those which I said just now, accounted only for 38%. See how this momentum, how these large companies are growth, putting their money into sustainable funds, sustainable investments, and sustainable bonds. So, so please, dear investors, dear friends, please consider the sustainable momentum which has started by all the stakeholders in the world. So in this concept, we convert your savings in the way of sustainable development. Means put your savings into renewable energy, put your savings into the companies which are promoting socially well-being of people, put your money into the companies which are engaging good governance practices, put your money in the companies which are striving towards to protect our environment and the companies which are minimizing, that is, carbon emissions. Thank you very much, friends. If you like this video, if you feel this is informative, please make sure that you should subscribe and share and comment, share with your friends. Thank you so much. And in next video, I will come with a new sustainable practice from another. Thank you so much.